So I normally wouldn't be very interested in a business calculator, a financial calculator. However, the 17B2 and the 17B2 Plus are two calculators that are capable of RPN. And if you're looking for an older RPN with a great keyboard, well, this is one that's pretty inexpensive. I picked up this one mint. I mean, it looks beautiful. Probably under $20, and it's able to perform RPN functions, just your basic calculations. So this is something that I plan on introducing my kids with when they get ready to start doing some math. So let's just do a brief overview here. You have your soft keys, or your function keys up here. So this will correspond to the first menu up here, the second, the third, the fourth, etc. Now we'll go through each of these later, but I just want to look at the keyboard. We've got your basic functions, basic math functions over here, your equal or enter. It will be your enter in RPN mode, or you can use the input. And you also have your y to the x for calculating exponents, the reciprocal, square root, squaring a number. So just your basic math functions. You can also swap x and y in your stack. You can roll down the stack, and actually when you're in RPN mode, this rolls down the stack as well. And since the parentheses aren't used in RPN mode, just pressing this without doing the shift key will also roll down the stack, and just pressing this will swap x and y. So you don't have to do shift when you are in RPN mode. You got the exponent, so if you need to enter like 45 e to the third, oops, that was changed sign, 45 e to the third. You can round something that rounds to the display. So if I'm displaying two digits right now, so 45.12345, and enter. Now if I show that, it will show the full precision is 45.12345. Now if I round it, and now show that, now it has rounded it to 45.12. So it rounded it to the display. You have a printer menu, which would be great if I had a printer. You have different modes, so you can turn beep on and off. You can have some printer settings here, so AC adapter, no AC adapter. Double space, your printing, on and off. And then you can choose algebraic or RPN mode. Now I've chosen RPN mode, and that's what we'll be doing all these calculations in, or demonstrating things in. You also have a math menu. If we go to the math menu, you'll just see log, 10 to the x, natural log, exponent, that's e to the x. You have permutation, or combinations, factorial, for use in combinations or permutations, and pi. So I can do 5, and then pi, multiply those together, and that gives me 5 pi. Anytime I can go to the main menu by exiting or by doing shift main, and that gets me back to this main menu. Unfortunately, it's not a two-line display. It's only one line, but then you have your menu at the bottom. It'd be nice to have a double line, but it is what it is. Shift and memory shows me that I have 100% memory available currently, so we've done no programs yet, but we will remedy that. So that's a basic overview of the calculator. Pretty basic. It's not a scientific calculator by any means. You're not going to be doing some programming or things like that, but it does have some good functionality, which we'll explore.